Hi, this is my presentation for Homework 1, Part 3b. First, let's discuss the lifting of air. Why is the lifting of air important? Simply put, the lifting of air is important for the formation of clouds and rain. The lifting of air happens in 4 different ways: orographic lift, convective lift, convergent lift, and frontal wedging. Today, we are going to discuss only 2 of the airlifting methods: orographic lift and convergence lift. Orographic lifting is when air is forced up because of a mountainous barrier. Air goes up the mountain, like shown in the picture, which often forms clouds, like shown. The next airlifting method we are going to discuss is the convergent lift. A convergent lift forms when 2 horizontal air flows coming in from 2 separate directions collide with one another, and that forces the air up. The next topic we are going to discuss is precipitation, how it's formed, and the different types of it. How is precipitation formed? Precipitation is formed in 2 ways: collision and aggregation. Collision forms droplets, and when they get big enough, they fall from the clouds and become rain. And aggregation takes ice crystals and super cold water till it hits the ground. Now let's discuss the different types of precipitation: rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Let's start with hail. Hail is pellets of frozen rain. Next is rain. Rain are droplets of water, and it is liquid precipitation. Next is snow. Snow is water vapor frozen into ice crystals. And lastly is sleet. Sleet is rain that freezes on impact. Finally, let's discuss air masses and tornadoes. An air mass is defined as a volume of air in the atmosphere that is uniform in water vapor, content, and temperature. Oklahoma and the rest of what we call Tornado Alley is suitable for tornadoes because we are in the middle of 3 air masses. The southwestern air mass consists of warm, dry air. The southeastern air mass has warm, moist air, and the northern air mass has cold, dry air. So all are very different. The boundaries of these air masses, which are called fronts, form tornadoes. The 3 very different masses colliding at their fronts. Thank you.